Hi, I'm Kathleen O'Neill, and for my supercarbon project I had polymers. Polymers is a substance that has a molecular structure of a large number of similar units bonded together. The Mayan civilization were discovered by British explorers. They were the first to find application for polymers. They made rubber balls for their kids to use from trees. In 1917, M. Polanyi discovered that unit cells contain sections of chain molecules. The process of making polymers is called polymerization. Polymerization is a process in which an organic compound reacts with itself to form a high molecular weight compound composed of repeating units of the original compound. The formula for the pneumopolymer is A plus A plus A is AAA, and the formula for a copolymer is A plus B plus A is ABA. The physical properties of polymers is that it has a low density that gives plastics its strength, a tensile strength, and when it is at a low glass transition temperature, it is weak and flexible. The chemical properties of polymers is that they are unaffected by contact with strong acids, they weather when exposed to the atmosphere, and they easily burn. Polymers are made of macromolecules. They have a range of molar masses. There are two ways to naming polymers. One way is source-based, which is used when a monomer is identified. The other way is structure-based, which is used when a polymer structure is proven. This picture is a brief guide to polymer nomenclature. 5 examples of polymers is plastics, proteins like hair and nails, DNA, rubber, and wood. Polymers can be used for many things. They are used in paper plates, tires, styrofoam cups, plastic bottles, and utensils. What you see is a material safety data sheet. This diagram shows a strand of DNA. DNA is an example of a polymer. This is a 3D model of a polymer. Five reasons so many organic carbons are discovered. Carbon has no preference whether it gains or loses electrons. Carbon is a versatile element. It can combine with many other elements. The atoms have the ability to create chemical bonds, and the atoms are just the right size to fit as constitutions of large molecules. This is a pamphlet summarizing all the points made in this video. This is a summary of the 10 supercarbons. Alcohol is an organic compound in which the hydroxyl function group is bonded to a carbon atom. Alkali halides are compounds that are mostly dense liquids and solids that are in soluble water. Ether is any organic compounds whose molecular structure has an oxygen atom interposed between two carbon atoms that are part of hydrocarbon molecules. Aldehydes are inorganic compounds containing a formal group that consists of a carbonyl center bonded to a hydrogen and a side chain. Ketones are organic compounds that feature a carbonyl group bonded to two other carbon atoms. Carboxylic acids are organic compounds in which a carbon atom is bonded to an oxygen atom by a double bond to make a carbonyl group and to a hydroxyl group by a single bond. Esters are derived from an inorganic acid in which at least one hydroxyl group is replaced by an alkoxy group. Amines are organic compounds in functional groups that contain a basic nitrogen atom with a lone pair. Amides are any member of either of two classes of nitrogen containing organic compounds. And polymers is a substance that has a molecular structure of a larger number of similar units bonded together.